Oi, welcome to Cook on Vibe. I got a surprise for you. We're in Jamaica. Yeah, we're in Jamaica, people. I thought I just won't even tell no one. I was not gonna tell you. We're just gonna turn up. Peng. We're outside, people. Yeah, that. Yeah, people, man. Today's episode is just surprise. I'm in Kingston. It's a surprise today, people. We are in Jamaica. I know we've only just left there last season 10, and now we're in season 11. I'm like, yeah, we're back in the UK. We did it, and all of a sudden, Peng. We're outside again. So, I've just reached the Jamaica. Normal things. Izel, him there. Just come and pick me up from the airport. First thing, go get some credit on my Jamaican phone. For some reason, the date's not working, but we'll sort it out. So yeah, top up my phone, then get to the apartment. No, sorry. Bob Marley time first, because it's been a long flight. And then we go to the apartment, which I'm at now. And we're here, man. So, yeah, surprise. Oi, people, it's the morning time. I told you, surprise. We're there, Kingston, people. I hope it's a nice surprise. I hope everyone's happy. You get me? So I'm gonna start off my morning with a nice Jamaican pear. Isn't it? She's right, people. Cause more time when I'm here in Jamaica, guys, I'm just rushing around and I'm just doing all these good things. So this time we're gonna chill out a little bit more. You know what I'm saying? And consume some good food. Why? And obviously a banana. Can't be in Jamaica without eating a banana. It's nice to just actually enjoy it a little bit this time, people. I'm going to show you what I'm going today. We're going to an interview today. Big interview, it's called 96. So yeah, fruits, and then I'm going to pick up my car now. We're going to pick up the car next. Wow. The old side people, man. Big up Jabari, 1YGP. Oh, yes. Downtown Kingston, little vlog. I just surprised them, Jabari. I didn't even tell them to me I followed. But we're there. They get me interview today. There things are going. Love Lane. You know the place. Yeah, man. See it? Yeah. King Street, downtown. Yeah. Manaz, big up. You know, so we done hot up the streets already, people, so the people didn't know what I'm going already, man. It's a normal thing, normal, pre. Active, you hear that? Yeah, people, surprise episode today. Place up, man. You see me? So yeah, it's not really. I don't really a vlog as a certain place, but you don't know. Say, I Love Lane is our place anyway. So you will see it everywhere. So it's not like it's a specific thing today, people. But I just like the vibes today. Soon go to the interview, man. Yes, people. So we stopped by the seafood place to get some shrimp and some soup. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Outside, good vibes to be back again. Good to see people recognizing man all over the place. It's a good vibes, Jamaica. I love you. You know that already. We're outside, fully active, my father. having a little relaxed one before I go to this interview, people. You know what the best thing is, yeah? Literally, where I'm staying is like at the end, just there. And literally, the supermarket is there at the top of the road. Supermarket. So, it's like a thing where I was thinking, oh, shall I get something to cook? Shall I cook before I go out? Thinking, but if you say the supermarket's just there. So let's go to the supermarket and grab 2 fish and cook up 2 fish and some Irish potato. Yeah, it's a good place to stay actually. It's a nice place as well. Like I say, right there, stuff. Just as I was crossing the road then, people then say, yeah man, you're the artist from England. I say, yeah man, it can't be the next one. So people, literally, the supermarket is right here. Good vibes. There in the supermarket, people. Oi oi. Where's the fish at? Here things. I think the fish is over there. Best dressed chicken. It's like the famous chicken in Jamaica. Like the most popular one. Fruits them over there. Them one there can work still. Yeah. Yeah. All right, people, we reached to the interview. All right, 96, we're there. George P is there. Isaac is there. Even management's on the phone moaning because we was 2 minutes late. Bro. Bro. But we're there, cook and vibe. Oh, management, he knows I'm always on my cook and vibe flex. People, big up yourself. We're in the interview. Probably catch a few little behind the scenes of Wild One. And yeah, it's a big interview, by the way. It's a big show. Good promotion. Yes, people. Correction. It's the fix interview. Yeah. It used to be called 96. Yeah. Just waiting to go in there, people. Why?
Copyright claim with the ring on him something there. Because when they said him that would really rise up on it.
I was want to fix just so quickly because this one here is going viral and I just feel so I said, why is this going to viral? Brother, you know, say you never hear a white man and deal with them so. I say, yeah, we are talking about because they say I'll be bomber class if I was in here. How sexy girl that she wants to give me it. When we fuck pussy turn red. Gymnastic. No, the pussy dead. You see, from time to say that viral, gone viral. So just look up the song. It's called Turn Red.
Yeah.
It's been released.
Yeah.
Right there. So you might have seen the freestyle reggae selector, but the song is out right now.
Turn Red is such a hilarious thing. Yeah, that man.
Yes, people. Finish the interview, you know? The fix. And like I say, I've been watching this for years, so it's a pleasure to be in the building, people. You see it there, the fix. We got the general there. Respect. That is it.
See me here too.
Blessed. Thank you so much. Like I say, I've been watching it for years, people. It's a big interview. The fix. I was watching it since it was 96, so you can't style me. Yeah.
He knows.
That's it. Since the bad tea, yeah. And this is what man's going for next, people. This is what we need. That is a wrap for the first episode, people. It weren't nothing in particular, but yeah, you got to see we're here, we're in the place, little interview, this and that, a little bit of love lane. So from here and now, what's gonna happen is you're gonna get an episode on Sunday, which is gonna be a vlog of the whole show. Wow, I ain't even told you why I'm here. Alright, I'm here for a big show, people. Yeah, with Tommy Lee, Bounty Killer. It's called Extreme Fest. I'm here for the show, so that's what we're doing. That's why we're in Jamaica. So yeah, we're gonna put out an episode on Sunday about the show. You get me, and everything about the show, the whole vlog of the day and everything. Another like 2 or 3 episodes in Jamaica, and then I'll go back to England. Not this weekend, but next weekend. And then we'll just continue what we were doing in the UK. Oi, oi. Greetings, tell me how you're feeling. It's the big up section. You don't know where to go, people. Leave a comment in the comment section for your chance. Woyoy. Welcome to the big up section, people, man. I hope everyone's all right, and I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Surprise, we're in Jamaica. That is it. So this week's big up Rich London Rich. Says, bro, this guy started as a meme and about 10 minutes later became legit. Love, just got all his stuff on Spotify. Respect. I love that. Look, there's obviously loads of memes that go around about me, people, but you just have to filter out the good from the bad. Do you know what I'm saying? Also, big up Wallace Grebo. Excuse me, Wallace Grebo. He says, nice to see how the callaloo looks and how it grows. Always wondered about that. Thanks, man. Do you know what? It's a pleasure, my bro. It's a pleasure. If you don't understand or have never seen certain things about Jamaica, I'm glad to be the person to show people. That's my little giving back to the culture. Do you know what I'm saying? So love and respect, people. This is Cook and Vibe. We're in Jamaica. The next episode you're going to see is a vlog of the whole day of me doing the big show. We got Tommy Lee. I actually just spoke to him on the phone. And also today, Nines has released Crop Circle 3, and I'm on the album. Make sure you check out the tune Max Elliott featuring M.R. and Big Nasty on Nines' new album, Crop Circle 3, Let's Go. I'm also in the movie as well, people, so just check it out and do the right thing. I'll see you on Sunday. Oi, oi.